Introducing the Shepherd Pup Grizaye Drawing Kit. With this kit, you will learn how to use a wide variety of bright colors to create black and white fur, as well as other features like the eyes, nose, and mouth. Use bright greens, yellows, and pinks for the background, and purples and blues for the fur, to create a beautiful portrait of an Australian Shepherd puppy. Go from gray to glorious. Includes one reference photo, 3 close-up photos, a Grizaye image on Stonehenge paper, 12 Grizaye Colored Pencils, sharpener, teshi, color guide, and step-by-step instructions. Learn more at Grizaye.com.